Come test drive the 2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.